I'm from Nelumbo, and we built NetVisor, a Finnish accounting system, and Shopify integration software, and we're running it on embedded app Shopify basis. And we have three kinds of reports here, which we can sync to NetVisor. One is the sales sync, payment sync, and inventory sync. I'm going to go through all of these reports with you in this video. When we install first time the app, we ask for NetVisor credentials. So here we ask for customer ID, then also secret, which is now hidden here, and then we can save the configuration, test the connection. We can also set up the sync settings, which is quite important, so that for example here we can sync all the data from these three reports every day. So the daily sync runs after midnight for the previous day. So when we open the computer and go to NetVisor accounting system, so we can see the profit and loss calculations, for example, for the previous day if we want. So we start with the inventory report, which is the first one here. We have different accounts here which we can choose from the company's own NetVisor. So since we have the connection here now established, then we can see that what kind of accounts there are. The defaults are the most usual ones which are here set up, so we try to make the setup as easy as possible for everybody. So after that we can refresh the inventory value, how much inventory we have as cost value in Shopify, and then we can sync that to NetVisor, and it'll create a voucher in NetVisor. Here we can see that what do we have here. And here we have the voucher which correlates to the one we just pushed from the app. We didn't have any stock actually when we started this, so now there's a big change here for the inventory. But when we sell out some goods, for example, during the day, then the next voucher is going to look a little bit different. Sales by country. We have here a very important report where we map all the sales done by country and also their VAT rates. So the VAT rates, for example, come from the order lines in Shopify, so you don't have to insert anything. They are already there if you have set up them in Shopify correctly. For example, here we can see today's data. We have some sales to Germany, then we have a different VAT rate sales to Finland, for example. This would be, for example, books here, and then we have normal sales. Let's say that the normal rate in Finland is 25.5 for the VAT, and this amount of sales we've done. If we have refunds from that current day, then we deduct them from the sales. It also deducts the total tax, so that we have always the daily data intact, so we know that how much we are selling and how much refunds have we done that day. And then for the net sales we deduct obviously the tax away, and this is the data that we post to NetVisor. We have also gift card sales here, which are treated a little bit differently because they are not really sales yet. They will become sales when they are used. So now they are just liabilities. So then even there's in the same order there's one gift card, for example, which is sold, then it'll come here, so that we know that how many gift cards we have sold, so we can update the liability account in NetVisor. For the voucher details, what we are posting, there's a preview here, what kind of items we will be posting with this voucher, and we can just post the voucher here for this day and see what it looks like on NetVisor. And refreshing this again and seeing what do we have here. Yeah, we have daily sales here from today, so we can check that. Okay, we have this data here, sales for Germany. We have some VAT debt for Germany, which goes to the OSS account. Then we have the clearing account or the technical account here, which matches this one. So for Finland, we are posting a little bit differently. We don't calculate or we don't post the amount of tax. We just post the net sales here according to the VAT rate, and NetWiser system actually calculates that VAT here on the bottom. And here we go, for example. Then we have the gift cards here on the bottom part. So that's pretty much it. We can always configure these accounts for the sales accounts here on the sales accounts page. So here we have mappings for different countries and how we want to treat them in the accounting system. And we can change them obviously or edit them however we want. So that if we have a dedicated account, for example, for Austria, then we can change the account here for Austria. Or we have a different liability account, for example, here, or we want to kind of like have a different clearing account. This is just to give an idea that what tax rate usually is for that country. Yeah, different countries here, and that's how it works. And we have a generate smart mappings, which kind of like generates all the default mappings so that setuping this system is as easy as possible. Then another here is the payment methods. So when we have money coming in from the system, here in this case, for example, 5,140 euros and 85 cents, then we know that which payment gateway we are expecting money from. So we would have here, for example, different payment methods like Klarna or PayTrail or Shopify payments or something like that. And we can always also we can map here on the payment accounts settings. So we have also generate smart mappings here, which will help you to identify. But obviously you can always do it by yourself as well, but this is just to help you to get on board as quickly as possible. For the payment methods, we can do also the sync here. So let's sync today's data to NetWiser, and here we go, and we'll see that what kind of voucher do we get to NetWiser. So let's refresh this. And here we go. So we have daily payments voucher here, and these were the accounts that we set up. So these were manual payments, and we're in a demo system at the moment. So that's pretty much it. Yes, the other functionality of this app is pretty much logging. So we have logs here. For example, we can see that what payments or syncs we've done. And these are the most recent ones. If there's been some errors or something, we can track that down. And that's how the system works. And the settings we went through already, but this is where you set up the NetWiser integration. Thanks for listening. 9 minutes almost, and hope you have a great day. Thanks.